Welcome to Brynnov's Gallery. Chapter 4. Subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Subtract and match. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Subtract. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Write the missing numbers. 8 minus how many is equal to 7. 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining 1 ball. So, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 5 minus how many is equal to 1. 5 balls. 1. Remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. So, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 9 minus 1, 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Five and 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 0 and 2 is equal to 1, 2. So, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 7 and 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brinav's Gallery. Thank you.